Hey there, Skrnoob yet again back with a new video, and today I am going to show you guys how to use the Multiverse-core plugin. The reason why I'm doing this plugin first is because this plugin basically allows you to create multiple worlds of different type, seeds, and custom generators. So if you're wondering what are custom generators, because that was my question the first time I saw that, it is like the structure that you see right here. You can actually make different kind of structures spawn into your world, and you can change that with a couple of codes. I really didn't go into it, but if you want to go into it and you really want to have that on your server, like different kind of structures, then I will leave the link below of the wiki of the custom generators. So let's go further and jump into the commands. The first basic command that you're always going to use is mv. Mv will give you this list. It is basically, the basic command. Multiverse help, blah blah. Mv filter page, mv version shows you the version, mv list. This list shows you all the worlds that you created. Oh, list, boom. World normal, this is the normal world, and this is the end of this world, the nether of this world. I think that's kind of obvious. So let's go to the next one. Mv create. What this does is probably obvious to you. It will create the world. So after create, you type in the name of the world that you want. So let's say you want to have a lobby or a hub. I'm going to call it lobby. You can call it hub or whatever you want. Lobby right here, and then you have to say if it's normal, the end, the nether, blah blah blah. I guess you want to have it normal, so I'm gonna say normal. And after this, well actually, you guys, I'm going to show you the list. So as you can see, world, normal, nether, and normal t flat. That are the choices you have. You can actually download the void world plugin, but then you have to do a few more things. If you guys really want me to show you how to do that, let me know. But for some reason in this server pro host, it starts generating new worlds after you generated the void world. So I do not recommend it, but you can actually do it. And if you really want me to show you how, let me know down below. So back to creating this world, lobby, and I'm going to go for normal minus t flat. Oh, flat, just like this. Press enter, and it will create this world. After a little while, I would say complete, and then the command to TP to this world is mv TP, and then lobby. We just have to wait a little bit because my computer really isn't good. So game mode 1, boom, and now we are inside this world. You guys, if you are inside this world, you can actually set a spawn. So, and to do that, you do mv set spawn, and it will only set spawn of this world. So inside this world, this will be the spawn. If you die, I don't know if I'm going to be TP'd back to the other world, but if I do, it will probably be very embarrassing. No, yeah, it didn't. Well, it said that it changed. It said that it changed the game mode, the world spawn, but it didn't. Sometimes these plugins can be a little buggy, but don't really worry about it too much. As long as you spawn into this world and you just build up, then you build yourself a platform. You can build yourself a hub inside of this world. Just make sure to change the game rules. So if you don't want to have mobs, then you do mob spawning, mob loot, mob spawning, and then false, and that will make sure that all the mobs will do not spawn in this world. If you want to kill all the mobs, you can do butcher, and all the hostile mobs will go away. you will probably have to you have kill commands that you can actually kill the other animals too, but I don't know them. And the weather cycle goes the same way. So if you do and then weather cycle false, you will have a world that's ready to build your hub in. So after that, you guys, as you can see, this world that we made, you can actually modify a couple of things in here. So if you do MVM, that means a multiverse multiverse modify. So actually you can do MV modify, but that's just a short way of saying it. And then in this, you can actually change a few things to the world. So I would say MV modify, set, add, clear, or remove. With remove, you can remove the animals around the world if you really want to, or structures or other things. Clear, it actually does the same thing. Add, you can add other stuff to it. And set is what I'm going to show you right now. Set, you can set a player limit, and let's say only 5. Then only 5 people can go to this world, and when it's 5, it will say the world is full, blah 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 blah. You can delete world name, delete the world, blah blah blah. Actually, kind of obvious. It's not really that hard, you guys. It really isn't. So some of you guys probably have noticed this, but if you did, you are very, very observant. When I came into this world, it changed my game mode into 0 again, like survival again, and that's so annoying. This Multiverse-core has a add-on plugin that's called Multiverse Portals, and this allows you to select a region, and if you walk through that region, you can teleport to another place or to another world even. So every time I went through a portal to another world, it changed my game mode back to 0, even though I was the owner, and that was so annoying. I swear to God, it was so annoying. Every time I went through it, I would die by some special mob that I made or something, because I'm working on dungeons. So that was very annoying. But to fix this, you will have to download yourself the Permissions X plugin. The Permissions X plugin makes it so you have to give people permission to do stuff on your server, and below your name you will have to well, for every admin, owner, and higher up ranks, you will have to make it say mv.bypass.gamemode.star. And if you've done that, sorry, if you've done that, then you will be your game mode will still be the same. If you go through a portal, it will just basically ignore it. And if you want other people to be allowed to access other worlds via the mvtp command, you will have to put multiverse.access.world below their names or below their groups, the different groups that you have to place in. But this is kind of a little bit complicated even for me. I'm not an IT guy, you guys. I'm just someone who has an interest into this, so please do not judge me if I'm not really good with these things. I never did things with computers. This is the first time I'm doing this, and I'm doing this on my crappy laptop. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoy all of my other videos, because I'm doing this with a lot of love, and I love you guys, and I know some of you love me back, and I hope that you have an amazing day.